Have you ever thought about buying a space-saving chairs? Actually, some of our customers did, but they didn't have space where to store the chairs. So we thought, our artisan thought for you about a particular kind of chair that is duplex. So it is 2 chairs in one. And I will show you now how you can easily open this chair, that it seems 1 chair, in 2 chairs. So with just an easy click here, you can just open it. And now you see you have 2 chairs. One, it's, of course, it is taller than the other one, just a few centimeters. And it is also, this one is larger than the other one. So you can maybe sit the taller people here and other guests over here. What it is nice is first the ergonomic shape that you can see here, that is thought particular to follow the back of our bodies, so to feel comfy. And what is it is the special feature of these chairs is the material. So they are made in a solid wood. You can choose to leave the wood natural, like this one, or you can cover with the wood finish that you like this. So here we have a big color duplex chairs. You can choose the wood finish that you like, but also the eco leather over here. So we have a wide range of colors. We have over 20 colors, I think. And this eco leather is actually the most resistant that we found here in Italy, because it is usually used for both. So it is waterproof, stain resistant, and of course mold resistant. And actually I have a surprise for you, because I would like to show you that you can also change the color of your chairs with a simple kind of method that we studied, and I will show you now how. So just wait me 1 second. Okay, what it is this? It is a magnetic drill. So we thought about using some magnetic screws so that the chairs is linear and simple, as you can see here. But if in few years you want to renew your furniture and you would like to change the color, it doesn't matter actually, because we can do that very easily. So now we'll show you with this one. We'll make some noise. Okay, so now you can see a little bit more, maybe it's better. Okay, they're quite hard, so they will be very strong over time, I can assure you. And so here you can see they're just magnetic screws, so you can just take away the eco leather and change the color as you wish. To close it, it's the same kind of work. You just take your magnetic drills on the other side. Wait a second. That's here. Okay, the eco leather was a little bit scratched. Okay, perfect. And voila, the chairs is already done, and it is already closed as it was before. So here, as I show you, you can just easily close it. If you are a guest, you just open it. If you are just in 4 people, you close it, and you have a duplex chairs that can be used with your extendable dining table. So if you want to have further information, you want to create your kind of personal chair with the color that you like, you can go on our website. In the useful info, you find all the eco leather colors, all the wood finish, and of course our contact. So we are there for you. Just contact us and we will create with you the duplex chairs.